How have you been feeling lately? Keeping a log of your symptoms can be really useful to have at your next checkup, especially if you've recently changed medications or started a new treatment. Take a note of how you're feeling using the symptom journal. Start by opening the CancerAid app on your mobile phone, and if you don't have the app, you can download it and create an account completely free. Once you've logged in, tap the blue plus button in the navigation bar at the bottom of your screen. Now you can log symptoms for today, or you can log previous day's symptoms by tapping the calendar icon. Swipe along the calendar or use the arrows to see previous weeks. After you've selected the day you want to log your symptoms for, simply tap Select. The app has many of the common symptoms listed, but if you can't find a particular symptom, choose Other from the bottom of the list and add it there. Tap on a symptom to begin logging it, and you can rate the severity of your symptoms from 0 to 10, 10 being the most severe, and then drag the slider to adjust the rating. You can also type in notes about your symptoms and log medication you take for that symptom. If you've accidentally added the wrong symptom, you can easily remove it by tapping the red Remove Symptom option. Once you're done, tap the blue arrow to finish logging your symptoms. If you are experiencing severe symptoms, please seek medical advice immediately. Check out our other videos to explore what you can do in the CancerAid app.